What's up, exhaust addicts? I just want to let you guys know that we are located at Discount Muffler and Custom Exhaust, 3560 Dickerson Pike, Nashville, Tennessee. You can give us a call anytime at 615-612-6244. Our hours of operation are 8:30 to 4:30, Monday through Friday, Central Time. Thank you for watching and enjoy the video. That's it? So when you get on it, it opens up. Perfect. That's it. Do you approve? Yes, sir. Again? He drove all the way from Arkansas, guys, so we really appreciate him coming down. Sound decibels? 103. He didn't want it too loud, he wanted a clean sound. That's what we did. One more. Especially when you mix it in with the X-Pipe. Very nice. What do you guys think? That's all that manufacturing burning off oils. They'll stop smoking. Mustang flying. Okay. Little added benefit. Another satisfied customer. All right, go ahead and back it out. Yes, sir. Yes, sir. She sounds mean, man. There's that Hellcat, man. Look at that. There. 2023. Perfect. Sounds phenomenal. Looks good, sounds good. Durango RT Hemi. Vibram mids, X-Pipe, rear delete. 5-inch diff. There she goes. Hemi, babe. Enjoy, guys.
Vibrants never disappoint.
Durango SRT Hellcat, 700 horsepower. Beast mode. I think he's got it in manual mode.